Alright, so today's video I'm going to discuss about dividing integers. Let's have positive 4 divided by 2. Okay, positive 4 divided by 2 is equal to positive 2. Okay, how about if negative 6 divided by positive 2 is equal to negative 3. Okay, so in this case, the process of multiplying and dividing integers are the same. Okay, positive divided by positive is always positive. Okay, negative divided by positive is always negative, and negative divided by negative is always positive. Okay, so that's the same process as multiplying integers. Okay, let's proceed. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is equal to, okay, correct, it's positive 5. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, let's have another one. Negative 6 divided by negative 2 is equal to positive 3. Okay, negative 20 divided by negative 5 is equal to positive 4. Okay, so thank you so much.